back to Bag Buzz. I have a new guest today, Claudia.
Hi.
And today we're going to be talking about the best date night bags.
Yes, we are. Best date night bags.
And these are all available at Luxador currently. So I just want to show you guys, like, we're going to be able to make so many more of these videos just because we have access to Luxador's inventory. So we will link them below if you're interested in any of these bags, but we're going to speak on, she has her picks of what she would wear for date night. I have my picks for what I would wear for a date night, and we have our reasons. So hear us out.
Yes, hear us out. So I'll start with mine. My first date night bag is this Louis Vuitton, and the name is so fitting. It's called Falling in Love. I would pick this for a first date. Yes.
Okay, but what about us? Like, we have already had our first date. We're married. I still need a date night with my hubby. So
Okay, so if this is for a date night with your hubby, your partner, if this has been a long relationship, this is what you're gonna go out with, right now. Spring.
Fall in love again.
Yes. Oh, perfect,
right?
Tammy.
When you pick
Fall
that bag,
in love again. This is, look at this. This is a crossbody, double zipper. It's the prettiest pink. And I've actually never been into pink, but this color.
it's like a subtle pink.
Yeah.
It's like a neutral pink.
It's not in your face. And Tammy, we're going to fall in love again on our date night.
Yeah.
So
because
here
when
we
you
go.
picked that, I thought, okay, when am I going to wear this? Maybe on Valentine's Day. I love that it has the little lipstick heart, kind of like on the bag there. But I love this bag for date night.
Yeah.
Because where else would you wear it?
Where else would you wear it? So, but I chose it also for first date. So we're thinking date night, first date. I mean, why not? This is like,
it's so feminine. Yeah.
It's perfect.
He's falling in love with you 100%. He's proposing to you if he sees you with this bag. It's like, it's just screaming love is in the air.
He's flying you to Paris just for the crepes.
I love that.
This is the bag that's going to take you there.
So, actually, let's stick on the Louis Vuitton trend here. So, because you had a Louis Vuitton heart bag, I chose the Capucine.
Why?
And especially this size. And there's like so many colors. The reason I love this bag, you can't spell love without LV. But just joking, that's not the reason. I think it's just such a fun, a classic, like feminine bag. And out of the Louis Vuitton collection, I love a bag that's not canvas. Like, I want to pay for leather,
Okay.
So I think it's just gonna be a good date night bag that's gonna hold your essentials, and if he takes you on a little adventure, you have the crossbody strap or the shoulder
kind of adventure
like a
going
walk.
on?
Who knows? Like a walk. What if he's like, let's go to the carnival? Okay, you can't just carry. Okay, that's really saying my age for me to say.
She's going on a carnival.
You never know. They might be like, let's go for a walk on the beach, and now you need to be hands-free. So
don't get any sand in there.
Yeah,
Please
no.
don't.
But you never know. The point is you have that option, right?
Yeah.
And I just think like it's such a feminine bag to go with like a cute date night outfit. They come in so many colors, and I think this like green is nice. I personally would pick pink as well for date night or a more
Like
feminine
soft
color.
pink.
Yeah.
This actually has a soft pink.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
But it's sold already. I saw it on the layaway shelf.
Yeah.
But that's why I chose the Louis Vuitton Capucine, because it has that nice top handle option. So whether you want to just carry it like this, or you carry it in the nook of your arm, or you want to wear it over your shoulder if you're going for a more casual look, or crossbody.
Or
Date
the beach.
night, or the beach. You just never know where the night will take you.
You just never know.
That's what I'm going with. Okay, let's see your next option.
Okay, so Louis Vuitton train here. We have this. I mean, look at all the shine.
You're going on a disco party.
I am going on the date night that is overlooking the ocean. This
Nobu.
Yes, Nobu. If you are here in Orange County, Javier's, the Montage, this is the bag you're going to go out there. It's gorgeous out. You're watching the sunset. You're out with your husband, again, your partner, and this is a really fun bag. But if your date night is, first, I always have to say first date, this is going to be a talking piece. I guarantee he's going to ask you.
If he's talking about this bag, I think he's not into it. He's like, oh wow,
he's going to ask you,
nice.
like, why'd you choose that bag?
No, he's not.
Okay, back to date night. Your date night is a birthday party, okay?
Okay.
Hear me out.
A night out for dancing. I can see
Yes.
it. I love this. Is
Birthday
such a fun-
party, you have a theme. Your theme is rock star. This is it. You know, it even
You're
has a strap.
edgy, you're bold, you're stand out.
Yeah.
You want a statement piece because maybe like you have a little black dress. This adds that little
Yes.
pop without being too
Or even a red
shy.
dress.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I was
I'm
wearing,
seeing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I was wearing a red dress, this is what I would wear. Black, of course, classic, even with like a moto jacket. And it even has straps, so you can wear this crossbody.
in case the night takes you
Yes.
somewhere else.
Yeah. To the club.
Okay, this is a little big
Yeah,
for the
it
club.
is.
Maybe it's a tinier one. But
But this is
that's-
a fun date
that's a
night
fun
bag.
date night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I chose that as a fun date night bag.
Yeah, pick the bag perfect for like what that date entails.
Exactly.
Okay. Off to my my next date night
Ooh,
pick
I love this bag.
is also perfect for St. Patrick's Day because
Yes.
green, but emerald green. And if you are Asian, you know the green and jade green symbolizes like money for us.
Bring it in.
Bring it in. This is like an iridescent green, and I think like you need to stand out on date night. This is
And we're bringing the money in on date night.
we're bringing the money in. we want to attract. Yes, we want to attract the
Remind your
wealthy
husband.
Yes.
why he chose
Yes,
you.
exactly.
Because you brought the
exactly,
money in.
Exactly. We're going with it. And like the mini rectangle will just fit like all your essentials for date night. So you just need your phone, you need your keys.
Lipstick.
My husband
Lip
doesn't
balm.
need me to bring my credit
No.
card. Just
No wallets. There are no wallets in
yeah,
there.
no wallets.
ID.
It can fit. It can fit though.
You need your ID.
Yeah, you'll need your
Sure.
ID, and it'll just fit. And let me tell you guys a little trick about the mini rectangle. I love the mini rectangle because I can actually turn it into top handle because I take the little bag clips and I will clasp it right here, and then I kid
Carry
you
it
guys
around.
not. And then like I don't have the bag clip here, but you carry it as a mini top handle, or you bag clip it a little bit lower.
Yeah.
It's a shoulder,
Shoulder
bag,
bag.
depending on my outfit. Or just wear crossbody or over the shoulder. I can't wear it over my
Yes.
shoulder long because I'm 5 feet, nothing. So, but that's my date night pick.
Yeah. And if you're like me, I'm 5'8". This is a great crossbody.
Crossbody
I'm-
and just
shoulder.
completely.
It
down.
sits
It sits
perfectly on the
great.
hips. Yeah.
Yeah. So I love mini bags for date night.
I
but
do.
let's see your next date night bag.
My last choice, and my so we're going on this green
You're copying me.
I know.
Okay. But perfect for St. Patrick's Day as well.
St. Patrick's Day anniversary. So you're out on a date night with your hubby. This is your anniversary bag.
Bling.
Yes,
Bling.
There's the word I was looking
Yeah.
for. Bling. I mean, look at that. This is gorgeous. This is a showstopper. You're gonna set this on the table. These women are gonna walk by you and they're gonna ask you about this bag.
Yeah.
And
This is gonna be your next table over conversation starter.
Yes, and everybody who's walking in and out, they're gonna stop and ask you about this. And again, it's a classic Dior.
But limited edition because
Yes.
all like you don't see this Lady Dior out and about.
And just like Tammy was mentioning earlier, top handle, so you can carry it with you. Or again, there are straps in here. You can wear it crossbody. Now, I'm taller, so this is a really comfortable bag on me. But you know, if you're on the shorter side, this is great if you're just going to wear it in your nook. And I like that because I do have this bag. I have the classic Lady Dior in the smaller version, and I wear it to date night.
Oh, you have the size small.
I do.
This is the size medium. Yeah, I have the size mini. I love the
Oh.
mini. So minis are also good if you're like me.
So minis are
Yeah.
great, yeah. And I have the size small, and I love it. And again, it is a showstopper. I mean, I wear it, and people are asking about it, you know, because you don't see this, especially this color. Oh, gorgeous.
And don't buy these Lady Dior's brand new in stores when you don't
No.
have to, because when you're buying them pre-loved, for example, I think this is like $2,400. Pre-loved in excellent condition. You can't get it anywhere. Like those are just some of the benefits of shopping pre-owned on the resale market. But it's can you believe this is $6,500 USD plus tax? So that's
No.
$7,200. That is almost $10,000 in Canadian dollars.
No.
Because I'm originally from Canada.
Yeah. Ladies, tell your husband to get you this for your next
Yes.
date night.
You can
your
buy
anniversary.
3 pre-owned ones for the price of 1, brand new ones.
Goodness. Oh my
No,
gosh.
that math is not mathing to you.
That's
I don't know
math.
what it says. That's algebra.
So this is the it bag
Yeah.
for date night.
Okay,
So, yes,
I
last
wanna
one.
show
Oh,
you my
I'm
last
so
one.
excited.
I'm so excited about this one because this is a bag I own. This specifically is not the bag I own. I own it in a black croc. But when I tell you, I'm going to Nobu with the Kelly Pouchette.
Yes.
I'm going to all, Masters. I'm going to the high-end restaurants because date night, you want, if you're going to a fancy date night, this bag fits all my essentials, and I love how I just carry it like this. Sometimes if you want to add a very tiny little twilly, I've seen that done, and it adds a little pop of color. I just love clutches.
Yeah.
As
You can't go
date night
and you
option.
can't go wrong. I mean, it fits everything. I mean,
It does.
think
It
about
fits
it.
my phone.
Everything.
Fits my key pouch.
Yeah.
And then don't
Like
mind
you
the
said.
little felt.
No credit cards because that's your husband's job.
Yes, that's my husband's. But my husband actually loves this bag on me.
Yeah.
Men, if you're watching this, tell me. Who am I kidding? No man is watching this.
Actually, we will get men to watch
You think
this
so?
for
Okay.
sure.
Men, tell me honestly, like, would this look good on a girl? I honestly think it's so feminine.
A classic.
The way you just carry it.
Yeah. Of course. And again, she can carry her own things because she's independent. She's an independent woman, but this is such a beautiful classic date night bag. Of all the bags, this is the one.
Yeah.
And, you know, ladies, they come in so many colors.
Yes,
And right now, this is the it bag. This is the go-to bag you're going to see on moms. You're going to see, you know, again, celebrating anniversaries or, you know, just a date night out.
Yeah.
And this is the bag, again, you're going to see it on the table too. You're going to set it down and it's a talking piece. Somebody is going to ask you, where did you get this from? And you can tell them you got it right here at Luxe du Jour.
This one's
For
available.
a
This isn't Sesame.
fraction.
No, this one's not. Well, because these are so hard to get. No, there's other Hermes bags that sell for under retail, but not the Kelly Pouchette because this is a quota bag. The Kelly Pouchette is considered a quota bag. I will tell you from first experience because I didn't know that when I got a pink rose it. If you guys have been an original follower, you would have saw that I did a review on the Kelly Pouchette.
Yes,
that was my
you
first
did.
Kelly Pouchette.
And if you're talking about quota bags,
Yeah.
why are you going to go to Hermes to wait for this when you can get it right here? It's available. So get it.
Follow her on Instagram,
Yes.
Luxe du Jour.
Claudia.
I'm luxedujour.tammy. If you guys need any help
Any
finding
bag.
your next dream bag, your date night bag, you can message us or just follow us. And that wraps up our date night picks.
Yes.
Let us know what is your go-to date night
Oh,
bag
yes.
pick.
Share with us.
Yes.
And of all of these, which one was your favorite?
Yes.
Let us know.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye.